Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. We're taking a quick look here again at BONK, seeing what's going on. It is printing a triple bottom pattern, which is interesting to say the least. So we're going to see if that has potential to break out or what validations we're looking for in that regard. But at this point, if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor, and I do truly hope you can learn something here today. If you want to become a better trader, again, cryptocash.tech is a site. Link down below. I teach you how to trade and effectively share my trades with my community. We had some nice little trades here this morning, some scalps from Solana and Ethereum. That's our day trading bot that I've created, as well as our premium group. We took some storage profits yesterday, a nice short, about 1 hour, 20%. Again, we don't have I'm not like opening a bunch of signals right now because the market's kind of acting funny. So I'm just kind of waiting for a little bit of stability, some confirmational signs, and we'll go ahead and get right into to that. So let's jump into the daily and work our way down. We've talked about this previously, that we've been on a bearish type of divergence here. It hasn't truly confirmed yet, but we got a lot of proof here letting us know that these indicators are telling us the price wants to keep going down. Okay, with us hitting that bottom 3 times in a row, that leads me to believe we may break below this level here and effectively continue lower. Okay, so that 195 to 200,000 mark is potentially a resistance level now that we've been below it for some time, but also more important, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to break through that level depending on how Bitcoin behaves. Okay, so that said, if we take a look here at the MACD, we're diverging here, of course. We know that stochastic RSI is swinging down, traditional RSI is coming down, so is money flow index. So these are all disadvantageous signs to say the least, but we're also moving above our trend lines here, so we're still looking to be in pretty decent shape there. Okay, so the overall trend is still up, but the immediate shorter term trend is down. Okay, we're below the 20-day SMA here. That's typically not a great sign. Testing the 50-day SMA, and once more trying to see if we can close above that 195 to 200,000 range. The indicators here down below kind of let us know that we're down below 50 in the RSI, likelihood of price pulling back a little bit lower, as well as stochastic swinging down, and of course money flow index roughly at the same price point. So that really just tells us we're kind of going stale, which we can see on this charts, and that the MACD is still diverging. Ultimately, not great signs here. I'm not a big fan of what I see here. I usually try to avoid trades, trading coins that look like this. Personally, I'm mainly just reviewing this for our community, of course, but generally speaking, I wouldn't, at this point, I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. If I did touch it with a 10-foot pole, it'd be like a short pole, if that makes any sense. Just kidding, the direction down, short. All right, anyways, sorry. I didn't think about that before I said it. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the hourly. Wrap this up here for you. We are below the cloud, of course, so confirming more bearish sentiment. Conversion lines below the baseline, lagging spans not free and clear. When things start to compress, each Mocha cloud becomes less relevant. The cloud itself is important, but the conversion line, baseline, all those things there, they start to become kind of less impactful, and they kind of give you some false positives. So to me personally, being below the cloud at this point is just a disadvantageous thing. That in combination with everything we saw in the 4-hour and even the daily telling us the downtrend is real, I think there's more propensity for the price to drop than there is to increase. Okay. Again, you could argue that this triple bottom is a strong indicator that the price goes up, but me personally, the more often you test a support level, the more likely it is to break. Okay. I personally feel the price is more likely to go down than up, especially considering the type of trend that we're trading within. Okay. Again, some folks, you could argue that the price action is due for a correction to the upside, but oftentimes when it derives from the top, it continues down lower. Okay. Again, that's just generally how the patterns typically work out. Again, not really interested in trading this coin, but I hope that I did provide proper analysis to give you perspective on things that I like to look for in a trade. If you do want to become, again, a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site. Make sure you jump on over to our Bitunix exchange, phenomenal exchange, no KYC, no VPN. Link down below for exclusive benefits there. This is available till the end of the year, if I'm not mistaken. We are going to have some trading competitions in the next couple weeks. It's a lot of fun, so be sure to check that out in your own time. Really, really good exchange. There's also instructional videos and how to set multiple targets in my Bitunix section on the Discord. Okay, so check that out. And obviously, if you're new to the community, make sure you read through our signals guide. I got some more details coming there, but that's really a good help on understanding how the signals work. Just because swing trades are different than the day trades, and you cannot wear both hats at the same time. Stick to one or the other. That's my recommendation. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.